Hey everybody, welcome to Journey to Vitality. In this video, we dive into 5 surprising side effects of the Mediterranean diet. Did you know that while the Mediterranean diet is celebrated for its health benefits, it's not without its potential drawbacks? Today, we're diving into the lesser-known side effects of this popular eating pattern. Stay tuned as we uncover the surprising impacts of the Mediterranean diet on your health. Number 5. Potential for weight gain. The Mediterranean diet is highly regarded for its health benefits, particularly in promoting heart health and reducing the risk of chronic diseases. However, one potential side effect individuals should be mindful of is weight gain. This diet encourages the consumption of healthy fats from sources like olive oil, nuts, and avocados, which are nutrient-rich but also calorie-dense. For example, 1 tablespoon of olive oil contains approximately 120 calories, and a handful of nuts can easily add an additional 200 calories or more to your daily intake. These calories can accumulate quickly without careful portion control, leading to weight gain. Another factor contributing to potential weight gain is portion size. Traditional Mediterranean meals often feature generous servings of food, which can inadvertently lead to overeating. While the foods are healthy, consuming them in large quantities can produce excess caloric intake. This is particularly true for individuals transitioning from a lower-fat diet, who might underestimate the caloric density of Mediterranean staples. For instance, a typical serving of pasta with olive oil and vegetables, though healthy, can be quite calorific if not portioned appropriately. Moreover, the Mediterranean diet emphasizes whole grains, fruits, and vegetables, generally lower in calories than processed foods. However, including calorie-rich items like cheese and wine can offset this balance if not consumed in moderation. Cheese, for instance, is a common ingredient in Mediterranean dishes and is high in fat and calories. Similarly, while moderate wine consumption is associated with various health benefits, it also adds to the total caloric intake and can contribute to weight gain if consumed excessively. Number 4. Digestive issues. Digestive issues and the Mediterranean diet. While lauded for its heart-healthy benefits, the Mediterranean diet can sometimes cause digestive issues due to its high fiber content. This diet emphasizes consuming fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and legumes rich in dietary fiber. This sudden increase can lead to gastrointestinal discomfort, including bloating, gas, and constipation, for individuals not accustomed to a high-fiber diet. The body requires time to adjust to higher fiber levels, and inadequate hydration can exacerbate these symptoms, as fiber absorbs water to aid in smooth digestion. Furthermore, the Mediterranean diet includes significant raw vegetables and legumes. While these foods are nutrient-dense and beneficial for overall health, they can be harder to digest for some individuals. Raw vegetables, in particular, contain cellulose, a fiber that is challenging for the human digestive system to break down. This can lead to bloating and discomfort, especially for those with sensitive digestive systems or conditions like irritable bowel syndrome, IBS. Cooking vegetables can help break down some of the tough fibers and make them easier to digest. Number 3. Nutrient imbalances. While widely praised for its health benefits, the Mediterranean diet can lead to specific nutrient imbalances if not carefully managed. One significant concern is the potential for low iron intake. This diet emphasizes plant-based foods, and although it includes fish and some poultry, red meat consumption is limited. Plant-based iron, or non-heme iron, found in foods like spinach and legumes, is less readily absorbed by the body than from animal sources. This can be particularly problematic for individuals with higher iron requirements, such as pregnant women, young children, and menstruating women. Calcium intake is another area that requires attention. The Mediterranean diet is rich in fruits, vegetables, and nuts, but doesn't emphasize dairy products as much as other diets. While some dairy is consumed, it is often in the form of yogurt or cheese in moderate amounts. Individuals may struggle to meet their daily calcium needs without adequate dairy intake, increasing the risk of bone health issues such as osteoporosis. Alternatives like fortified plant milk or leafy greens can help, but they require careful planning to ensure sufficient intake. Moreover, The Mediterranean diet's balance between omega-6 and omega-3 fatty acids can also pose a challenge. Although the diet promotes healthy fats, such as those from olive oil and nuts, it may inadvertently lead to excess omega-6 fatty acids if not properly balanced with omega-3s. Omega-6 fatty acids are essential, but an imbalance with omega-3 can contribute to inflammation and related health issues. Ensuring a good intake of omega-3 rich foods like fish, flax seeds, and walnuts is crucial to maintain this balance. Number 2. Increased mercury intake. One of the less discussed but significant concerns associated with the Mediterranean diet is the potential for increased mercury intake due to frequent fish consumption. Fish is a staple in the Mediterranean diet, prized for its high omega-3 fatty acids, which are beneficial for heart and brain health. However, certain fish, especially larger and long-lived species like tuna, swordfish, and mackerel, tend to accumulate higher levels of mercury. Mercury is a heavy metal that can have serious health effects, particularly on the nervous system, which is why monitoring and managing fish intake is crucial. Mercury exposure is particularly dangerous for vulnerable populations, including pregnant women, nursing mothers, and young children, as it can impair neurological development in fetuses and young children. The U.S. Food and Drug Administration, FDA, and the Environmental Protection Agency, EPA, provide guidelines on fish consumption to help minimize mercury exposure while benefiting from fish's nutrients. They recommend limiting the intake of high-mercury fish and instead opting for lower mercury options like salmon, sardines, and trout. The primary risk of mercury exposure from fish is neurological damage for adults. High levels of mercury can lead to cognitive impairments, motor dysfunction, and various psychological issues. Chronic exposure, even at lower levels, can accumulate over time, potentially leading to long-term health problems. This makes it essential for those following the Mediterranean diet to vary their fish choices and not rely heavily on high-mercury species. In addition to mercury, fish can accumulate other environmental contaminants like polychlorinated biphenyls, PCBs, and dioxins, which are industrial pollutants with potentially serious health effects. These substances can affect the immune system and reproductive health and increase the risk of certain cancers. Again, the key is moderation and variety in fish consumption, favoring species known for lower contamination levels. To reduce the risk of mercury and other contaminant exposure while following the Mediterranean diet, it's advisable to incorporate a variety of protein sources. Lean meats, poultry, eggs, legumes, and plant-based proteins can provide essential nutrients without the risks associated with high fish consumption. Including a wide range of foods ensures that the diet remains balanced and reduces dependency on any single source of nutrition, thereby minimizing potential health risks. Number 1. Allergy risks. Millions worldwide experience allergies, which can trigger unpleasant and sometimes serious reactions. Allergies occur when the immune system mistakenly identifies a harmless substance, called an allergen, as a threat. This triggers an immune response that can cause a variety of symptoms. Common allergens include pollen, dust mites, pet dander, mold, and certain foods like peanuts, shellfish, and milk. While some allergies may cause mild irritation, others can lead to a severe reaction known as anaphylaxis, which requires immediate medical attention. Understanding your allergy risks can help you identify and avoid triggers. If you suspect an allergy, you must see a doctor or allergist for proper diagnosis. They can perform tests to pinpoint specific allergens and discuss treatment options. There's no cure for allergies, but effective ways to manage them exist. Avoiding triggers is often the best course of action. Medications, such as antihistamines, can help alleviate allergy symptoms. Sometimes, allergy shots, immunotherapy, can desensitize the immune system to a specific allergen over time. Living with allergies can be challenging, but most people can lead entire and active lives with proper management and awareness. By understanding your allergy risks and working with a healthcare professional, you can take control and minimize the impact of allergies on your daily life. In conclusion, the Mediterranean diet isn't without its drawbacks. While it offers a treasure trove of health benefits, keep these potential side effects in mind. For some, weight gain can be a concern due to the emphasis on healthy fats. Additionally, those with iron or calcium deficiencies may need to make adjustments to ensure they get enough of these vital nutrients. However, with a little planning and awareness, you can navigate these challenges and reap the many rewards of this delicious and heart-healthy way of eating. Remember, it's a healthy way to eat, but like anything, there can be downsides. If you're considering this lifestyle, talk to your doctor and see if it fits you well. For more healthy eating tips and breakdowns, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and smash the notification bell so you never miss a video. Until next time, stay happy and healthy.